Hey everybody, welcome to a small video about a design game that's going to help you master your pen tool. Yes, supposedly this is a game to help you master the pen tool. Now, I am an absolute noob when it comes to the pen tool. I'm not good. I don't use it very often. I don't have to use it very often because I dislike contouring items, but hey, there's always a time to start. So today I'm going to be trying this and I'm going to be practicing at the same time because, hey, you can never have too much practice when it comes to design tools, especially the pen tool. Like I said, you don't have to use the pen tool. There are other options, and I use the other options like magnetic. And yeah, so let's get into this. It's called the Bézier Game. It's really simple. You even have this cute little tutorial. It's clearly the same options as any Adobe software. So if you click Shift, it's going to do a straight line. If you do Alt, you're going to be able to move your handles anywhere you want. I've tried this before starting this video just a little bit to see how it went. Unfortunately, my Control Z doesn't work, so go figure. But yeah, so let's give this a go. So Shift, click, Shift, click. Easy enough. So we're going to make a house. See, now it's teaching you to click Shift, of course. I can skip this tutorial, but I really don't want to. Shift, click, Shift, click, Shift, click, click. It even tells you how many nodes you have left, which is kind of neat. Okay, so at this point, we're going to be working with handles to make a circle. It's not going to be perfect, I'm telling you right now. If I want to make circles, I just use the circle tool in Adobe Illustrator. Yeah, I don't do circle tools with the pen tool. So Shift handles, it's going to go downwards, just a heads up. Shift handles, Shift handles, Shift handles. So when you click Shift, your handles go straight. And if you don't click Shift, your handles will go pretty much anywhere. It doesn't really matter. This is all a personal taste. Whichever you work is the way it goes. So we're going to start here. So basically, they want you to do that with the handle. Now we're going to press Alt, and we're going to flip this one up here. Pretty simple. So we're going to go here, again with the handle, all the way out here. And then we're going to do this. Oops, something happened. Oh, I just have to click up here, whatever. All right, so this is where the game actually starts. So we have to make a car. Pretty simple. I'm not sure how this is going to go. I might totally suck. Like I said, I do not use the pen tool as much as I should. I use other tools that are in Photoshop to contour items that I need. And it works really well. This is just one of those things that, hey, might as well try it out. So I got to start here, obviously. So click, we're going to Shift, Alt up there. So I'm assuming this goes here. I'm going to try to go all the way, up here. Who knows? Like that. Oops. I think my Alt key is broken. It's not working. Look, it's not working. I'm pressing Alt. It didn't like that very much. So if I do this, all right, so it obviously does not want me to go there. So I'm wondering if I can like do that and do that maybe. That's gonna work. Like that. Maybe like that. No, it didn't like that very much. All right, so here. Oh God, this is horrible. Don't judge me. Please don't judge me. I am actually good at what I do. This is just horrible right now. So we'll just go the way they taught us how to do it. And let's try it like that. Oh no, it doesn't want me to. All right, let's just go the old-fashioned way. 9 nodes. What? I failed this completely. I'm not gonna try for 9 nodes. Maybe I should. I don't know how do you do 9 nodes. So you start here. So you have to do 1, 2. Then you can actually do 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You still need 10. 11. I can probably cut down to 11. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You still have to do 1 here. The ideal solution has 9 nodes. What am I not seeing? Anyways, we'll go to the next stage. Oh, a plane. Yay. All right, so 1. Oh, really? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, I did 11 and it was 10. All right, I got this one better. It's better than the other one. Okay, so basically that goes all the way here and that goes all the way here, all right? Like that, and then it goes here, and you go there, there. Shish kebab. Maybe. It doesn't like me very much. I have to actually do like that. This one might work like that. All right. And then I finish here. 8. I did it 9. Whatever. Okay, so down here. Down here. We'll do a little curvy thingy here, like that, and I'm pretty sure we can do it like this, and then we're gonna press Alt all the way here and there. There's one thing that I remember is that these big curves like this, you actually have like to create it like if you would create a circle. So that could go there, and then oh wait. Oh, it works. Control Z works. Go figure. It wasn't working earlier, but now it does. And then we can do that. Hey! I'm always 1 off, so I'm always adding 1 extra node pretty much everywhere. I still don't know how that first one works. The car? Forgotten. All right, so a cloud. A cute, fluffy cloud. So we go here. And go there. Oh my god, this is horrible. This one goes like this for sure. So I'm always clicking Alt to move my little thingies. Handles, sorry. I'm trying to go fast, so I'm not using the proper terms. Shame on me, right? All right, that's not working. So we're just gonna go back like that and like that. Like that. Oh god, this cloud is not going to be a happy cloud. Alright, so I used them all. 5 nodes. I'm completely off on this. Look how crooked it is. All of these right here, this is like so bad. Like that here, that. These are very bad. So I'm guessing the goal is to actually keep doing these until you get the ideal solution and your curves are actually beautiful. In this case, my curves are absolutely horrendous. Oh, this is horrible. I am completely... Oh, really? Oh, this should be fun. All right, so this should go like here, and then we'll curve it that way, I'm guessing, all the way there, maybe. I don't even know. Oh Lord, no. This isn't working. So we'll curve that like to here, and then we'll go like all the way here. Yeah. Okay, see how's it going? Is it fitting in there? Is it fitting? Yes. Okay, and then this is like a little curve. And then we'll go here. And yes. I think we're getting there. Okay. And we're gonna do just a little, oh Lord, save me. Like that. Okay, we almost got it. I'm just kind of cheating right now. Don't judge me. Oh Lord, yes, we did it. 9! Oh, this is so bad. I don't think he has a mouth. Oh dear. Next. Oh, duck. Cute duck. Come on. Alright, like that. And like that. This is gonna be a straight line. So at least these ones I'm kind of sure how they work, but I'm not 100%. I think I might have to go research a bit on this again. Well, hey, I'm just practicing now. There you go. Hey, the ideal solution is 9 nodes. I did it. Yay. Good job, me. It's actually not too bad. There's not really any, you see how the lines are straight and the curves are kind of nice? The only is right here, maybe. It's not as smooth like this part, but hey, and that part, but still not bad. Geez, how many of these is there? Okay, let's see. So there, and I'm just gonna do it like the good way, I guess you could say. This isn't the good way. I'm not very good at this at all, but it's okay. This is why we're playing this game. Okay, right up here, and then we're gonna do that. And like that. And like that. And we're gonna do like the curve here with the hat. And then we're gonna move this handle there. And there we go! 9 nodes! It's not pretty, but I did it in the right amount of nodes. Yay, go me. Oh Lord. I don't like the curves. I really don't. So, oops, pretty much, I know the curves, like, this is how they work. I might have went a little bit too high on that one. Usually your curves, you have to go the contrary of what they are, but you're not supposed to be moving your handles that much with Alt. Obviously, the more you move your handles, the more you're going to create notches in your curves, which is not going to make pretty curves. So basically what I'm doing right now is completely horrible, but it's a start. Oh no, this isn't going to work. I got to fix that. Sorry. So we're going to go like this, maybe, and we're going to go here. You see how like your curves should be smooth at the end? So basically, this is 6 nodes, by the way. I did it in 10, so I have 4 too many. You look here, that doesn't look right. And here. So these are the notches. Like, I know the basics of using handles and the pen tool. So these these notches that it's creating is not okay. This is completely off. If this is what happens in your designs when you're using a pen tool, it's bad. Don't do what I'm doing right now. How the heck? Oh, yeah, well, okay. So basically, so you see how my curve is so perfect that I don't have to create another one to go downwards. But the issue is that if I go here with it, it's not going to work. So let's try here a little bit more. And like that. Too far. So like that maybe. All right. Just enough to set the curve. And then like that. Like that. And then we're going to move this one back up here. Going to go back here. Like that. Oh, it's too far. Undo. All right, we're going to go here maybe. It's not. Because the longer it is, the more your curve is going to be. So now we're going to go back down here maybe about. And then like that. Like that. There's way too much. Oops. There's way too many things right now. Oops. I forgot to do my handle. Like that. Oh, that's too long. It's not going to like me very much. Oh no, it didn't like me. All right, so maybe here. Like that. Like that. Go down. All right, I got this. I got this, people. I got this. Oh no, I don't got this. All right, maybe more here. Yes, okay. Yes, yes. No. Okay, maybe more here. No. I'm gonna get this, I promise. Yay. No. Why am I failing so much at this? There you go. We got it. So the ideal solution is 9 and I used 15. All right, so at the end of the day, this is gonna need a lot of work on my end, but this is a cool project. I actually, oh, I'm done. 15 nodes to spare. So that was the Bézier game. I actually like this. It's kind of nice to be able to go back and they tell you the answers and how many you actually have to use. Sometimes when you have these small games, it's more pleasant than just going into Adobe and having these like papers in the back where they're transparent and then you can go over all these designs and practice, but you never really get answers about it. But in this case, well, at least you kind of know what the best solution is. So yeah, I like this game. I think it's a nice little touch. It's worth the time, especially for beginners out there. Like sometimes we get so sick of looking at Adobe and it's just, then you can go here and try it out. So thanks for listening. I hope you enjoyed this. If you didn't, thumbs down. If you did, thumbs up. And I'll be back in a little bit with more of these games, more information. Thanks for sticking around. See you later.